Was a very crucial item, and I would like to share this with you. Today the cabinet has taken a very important and a very landmark decision and a major reform when it comes to the education sector. I am very happy to inform the people of the state and more importantly the ad hoc teachers and the SSA teachers that the cabinet today has approved the proposal that was given by the education department to, number one, create a structured pay for the ad hoc and the SSA teachers. Number two, to have a yearly increment program for them so that they don't get stuck at a particular salary. The salary also, the base salary has been also enhanced on the basis of seniority. So somebody who's been serving for 15 years, 20 years, compared to somebody who's serving only for 1 year, 2 years, were getting the same salary before. So we have created some scales and categorization in terms of the period of service and given a minimum increment for each one of them. Number three, most important, is that the job security is there for them. So today, when SSA teachers are there, we understand that there is some doubt in their mind about the future of their jobs. The ad hoc teachers also, they have some doubt about their jobs. And therefore, this particular move and decision of the cabinet will ensure that there is a job security for the SSA as well as the ad hoc teachers. And also we have put a provision where under the there will be contribution to the CPF, which will be done both by the teachers and the governments to ensure that when they do retire, that there is some kind of a safety and security for them post-retirement also. This also, we have decided that this will be implemented in a form of a society, and there will be a society that will manage all of this. So all of these factors have been proposed today, and these were the salient features of the proposal. We have the exact numbers and everything with us, but I will not share that with you today because we are going to implement this from the 1st of April 2026, as was promised by me about a month back, that we are going to conclude this before Christmas and we are going to implement it by the 1st of April, and I'm fulfilling that commitment made to our teachers. And in the next 3 months post the New Year's, we will work on exactly the mode of implementation, the different administrative procedures required, and through that period I will then inform you about the detailed numbers. But these numbers have already been discussed with the SSA teachers and with the ad hoc teachers, and it is with that approval and with the discussion with them that we have brought this to the cabinet, and today the cabinet has approved. There are certain small concerns that are being raised. We will be ironing those concerns out as we move along, but in principle the broad structure today has been finalized, and as I said, it's a major reform, because you have to understand that this will lead to future reforms that are very much necessary in the education sector, and this will also lead to, as I said, a very structured pay in the future for the SSA and the ad hoc teachers, so that they don't have to be worried about their increments again. They don't have to be worried every 3 years, every 5 years of coming to the government, keep on demanding that they should be given higher salaries. So the incremental, the pay that they will be getting every year will take care of those concerns. And we are hopeful that with this major decision today that's been taken, as promised by us about a month back, as I said, will lead to a huge reformation in the education department, which I will share with you post New Year's once we start the administrative procedure of implementing this particular decision that has been taken today. So I want to share this with all of you, and in a way it's like a positive Christmas news for our teachers. This is something that the teachers have been demanding for a very long time. From the moment I joined and I took over as Chief Minister, even before that, for many years and decades, this has been a long pending demand of the SSA and the ad hoc teachers, and I'm happy that our MDA government today has taken this bold decision to to take this forward and find a solution once and for all to this problem, which has been discussed in detail in multiple meetings with the teachers. I thank the teachers for their cooperation and for their patience, and I thank the Education Department, the Minister and the Commissioner Secretary and all the officials who have worked tirelessly to come to this point. And as I said, this will be a major game changer and a major decision that is going to reform the education sector in the days to come.